Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Devon, and this is New Touch Auto Dipping. Now in this video, I wanted to do something different, shake it up a little bit. I experimented a little something on the rose gold pearl. So I like to add my own mix to it. I did a little digging. Oh yeah, I did some digging. I came up with something. Now, if you want to know exactly what I did to get that mix, keep watching this video. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Devon. We back with another one. We got something for you today. We got this Hyundai Sonata sitting back here, right? You see it's currently blue. We're about to change it up, but we're gonna do it differently today. We're gonna do some Proline paint. Proline is different from PDS, plastic dip spray. It's different from Autoflex. What it does, it sits right in the middle of both of those two. What it does is give you pretty much both, all in one. Perfect finish. With the Proline products, you get a thinner finish. Smooth to the touch, man. Smooth to the touch. We're gonna go ahead and jump into it. We got everything masked off. As you see, we ready. We wiped it down with the pre-dip spray. We got the alcohol for that extra grip. What more can I say? We got everything already masked off, right? So we go ahead and look at it back there. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? I see you got your mask on. All right, that's my baby back there, man. So y'all watch out. All right, we got the setup, man. We got our Proline, we got our high bell primer, we got our matte clear for our pearls, we got our matte clear for our base tints. We're gonna be going with the Avalanche Crey. Then we got the dip armor. Dip armor. Do your research. Educate yourself on that dip armor. It'll let you know all the pros to it versus what it used to be. New product. Check it out online. dipyourcar.com. All the information there for you. So we got nothing else to do but be ready to spray. You ready?
Yeah.
I've been ready. TTG, train to go. Let's go, baby. All right, y'all, we're down to the end of our video. So what we like to do is give you a rundown and show you exactly what we did to this Hyundai Sonata. Check it out. Canyon Pearl. We got the chrome out because it matches the lights.
everything looks nice. We take it all the way around, you still got that matchup. That chrome around the windows. You got the emblems in the back, they're chrome. It's out, man. Canyon Pearl. Kind of give you a resemblance of rose gold, right? Check this, man. If y'all liking this video, let me know you like it. Post your comments. You'll get a response. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Other links below, they'll lead you over to our other social media sites. Thank y'all for watching this video. Catch you on the next one.